Hello everyone, welcome to Excelling Career, where you can learn how to become a power user in Excel. My name is Ali Shayan. I have been contributing with my experience and have hundreds of students and colleagues who are proving themselves with their best skills in financial and business industry. And now it is your turn. For more updated videos, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Stay in touch with your valuable comments and queries, and keep watching Excelling Career for Microsoft Office training, especially for the concepts of Excel sheets and Google spreadsheets. For more details, please visit our website easyexcelsheets.com. Thank you.